Myself Sandhya, working as assistant professor in Panimalar Engineering College, Chennai City campus. Today I have attended a theory of computation examination.
This is Jayakumar, Sindhi, assistant professor from Sindhi College. So this is the second time writing the NPTEL examinations. The first time I cleared, there's one paper, machine learning algorithm. So this is second time. So right now I written the Python for data science.
From Rajlakshmi Engineering College. I'm currently pursuing a second year in AML, which is Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. So today I wrote my NPTEL exam on Python for data science.
Myself is Amala Lakshmi. I am from teaching profession. I have come here to write the research methodology as I am doing my PhD.
My name is Pragadishwaran. I am assistant manager of Chennai Petroleum Corporation Limited. So I did here, now I have done Petroleum Technology NPTEL course.
Hello, I'm Edelmeena Vichilian. I'm from SSN College of Engineering, pursuing my third year in biomedical engineering.
Through the assignment questions also, if you have a constant preparation, it will be leads to scoring a high marks over there. Almost all the assignments, it covers the questions over there. Because each and every assignment covers one unique topic. So if you go through it, at least one or two questions come from each and every assignments there.
My suggestion is better they can do this kind of courses because they will get some certificate as well as they will get some knowledge also. Okay.
If I have a subject in a semester and it's related to any course in NPTEL, I go with that. So it's like I can do both the things at the same time. So that's my plan of action.
It is basically all the questions depends upon the critical thinking of the candidate. So it enhances one's knowledge, and it was really a good experience for me to write this examination.
I'm planning to enroll international business, which will be useful for me in future.
Keep a track of the videos that you're going to see. Like if you're going to see the videos in the first week, make sure that you have some points noted down, because at the end of the 8th week, you may not be able to remember quite the points that you learned in the first week. So if you have taken notes or kind of have some flashcards or some kind of remembering the points that you have studied in the first week, you'll be able to put up when it's coming to the 8th week. Since it's an 8-week course, you need to remember a lot of stuff in that regard.